guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akia Says Relaxed, and if this is your first time of coming here, please do not forget to subscribe. So today I wanted to show you guys how to do this super cute braid out that I did on my hair, and I'm just starting with the front part of my hair. My hair is already conditioned, guys, so make sure that you have leave-in conditioner in your hair before you do this. So I'm starting on the first section of my hair, and I'm just trying to fully separate my hair. I'm also trying to massage the leave-in conditioner that I previously said I had in my hair so that it has an even distribution and there's none in more parts than the other. Okay, so now I'm going to take in my curling cream that I did in my other video. If you guys haven't seen that video, please do well to check it out. And I'm taking just a bit because it's actually really packed even though it's not greasy. And I'm going to put this inside my hair. I'm going to massage it into my hair. The reason why I'm not using a lot is because this cream has flaxseed and it has aloe vera, and with my hair being low porosity, I don't want it to be too saturated because this is going to prolong the time in which it dries. So I'm just using just enough for my hair. Okay, so getting to the tips of my hair, I'm going to use a bit more cream on the tips just to make it smooth. And instead of doing a braid, I'm going to transition into a twist. And this helps the hair not to frizz. And I'm taking my flexi rod and then I'm going to roll it outwardly. Sorry, my camera wasn't in focus, guys, but then you'll see in another clip how I'm doing this. And then I'm just going to fold the ends of the flexi rod in place. So as it's secured, I'm going to do the same for the other parts of my hair. So as you can see, I've done the back and I'm just left with one more braid. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. It's more clearer from this angle. So this is a better angle, guys. As you can see, I'm rolling it outwards instead of inwards, and then I'm just securing the flexi rods in place. So that's how it's looking like. And this is how the whole head was looking like when I was done. The weather was really bad and my hair wasn't dry, so I had to wait for the next day to continue this video. And sorry for how the quality of this part of the video looks, but I don't know what was wrong with my camera. So I just took a bit of oil just to reduce frizz, and I'm slowly trying to unravel the braids. And I have to tell you guys that you have to be really careful when you're doing this part, because the more aggression you add, the more frizz you get in your hair. So you wouldn't want that, so you have to be really careful. So over here I wanted to show you guys how curly my hair was, but because of the quality of the video I had to use another video that I had, which was way more clearer. You can see how juicy and shiny the curls are. So this tells you how great the curling cream actually works. I'm taking a bit more oil now and I'm going to use that to separate in my curls. The thing about braid out is that the more curls you want, the less volume you're going to get, and I really love volume in my hairstyle, so I'm taking my time to carefully separate all the curls in my hair. So now I'm taking a wide tooth comb, and this is going to add way more volume than you're already seeing. So you just make sure that you bring up the roots of your hair. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but you lift up the hair from your roots, and you keep doing this until you get the desired volume that you want. If you're still not okay with the volume, then you would have to separate the curls more. So you can see that I'm also separating a bit at the bottom part of my hair, and I'm going to keep doing this until I get the desired look that I wanted. So I was okay with one side of my head, but I wasn't okay with the other side. So I decided to do that side off camera. Then I'll come back and then I'll show you guys how the final results are going to look like. So just hang in there. So this is the final result, guys. As you can see, it's really curly, and at the same time there's volume being added to the hairstyle. So don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you ever try doing a braid out using the curling cream that I just used. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.